Is there anything that amazed you here?
I was amazed at the size of the airport when I first got here. It was a long flight, and when I got here, it was a lot of trees. It was a lot of nice land. And once we got to the hotel, I saw all the shops, all the nice restaurants. A lot of the nice areas around the hotel, and I can really appreciate it. It's my first time over here. I think it's a really nice area, and I'd definitely be interested in coming back to a place like this.
That's great. And what about people?
The people, they've been so nice. I mean, even the places that I go eat at, they're so nice, and they make sure everything is done correctly, and they're constantly asking, is there anything they can do for me? So, and even on the streets, people have noticed me. So, really nice people around here. You don't get that a lot. And for me to be a newcomer here and the people to treat me so well, I really appreciate it, and it's a great thing.
Okay, great. And may you say anything to young people that love basketball?
I can for the kids that love basketball, that love sports. Period. If you want to be a professional athlete, there's a lot of opportunities out there. Even outside of sports, all it takes is hard work, dedication to the craft, and really wanting it for yourself. And anything is possible.
Okay, thank you very much. So, welcome in Friuli Venezia Giulia, and goodbye.
Arrivederci. Arrivederci.